Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This video we're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee Fuel Brushless 3/8 10mm. It's called the installation drill driver. This is your installation drill driver. Now this, I've used it for a while. You can see it's got some nice wear on it. It's actually really nice. The only thing I'm not too crazy about is that the forward and reverse selector is here. So on most drills, the forward and reverse selector are with the index finger or your thumb. You can just switch it back and forth. But this one, this is almost made to be held like a drywall drill, where you hold it like this and use it with your middle finger. Therefore, you can use your index to just switch it back and forth real quick as you're using it. Or you can use your thumb. But it just kind of makes it a little bit difficult when you're trying to do something. You have to let go of it, click it, and then drill or use your other hand. It comes with a magnet right here so you can have your bits. Now, the cool thing about this are these adapters right here. This is what makes this tool so versatile. So by pressing or by lifting this, you pull it out. This is the drill driver. You have a drill attachment, just goes right in, clips right in just like that. You've got your torque adjustment. So depending on how tight, or you can put it in drill mode, or you have your different torque attachments to see how, depending on how tight you want to put the screw in. That comes off. It also has a right angle. So in case you need to get into a tight spot, you can put the bit right on it. Now, again, this is cool because check it out. You can use the bit to put it on here directly, and it'll still work like this. Or you can put this, lock it in place, and still use it as a 90-degree drill driver for tight spots. Okay, you can even drill like this as well. So we'll pull that out. You could put the drill on it, same thing. Or, now this is a really cool feature. Let's take this out. This is the offset bit. So if you are trying to put a screw on a 90-degree area, like on a cabinet, and you have this attachment, the closest you're able to get the screw is as close as this gets to the top of the cabinet. So if you wanted to put a screw right in the corner, you'd have to angle the screw in and it might come through the top of the material. So with the offset drill head, okay, it's almost flush. So it's really close to the top, and that allows you to get nice and flush to the top of whatever you're working with, to put those screws in, or to take them out for that matter, same thing. So it's actually really neat. And depending on where you want it, you can move it around. So this can rotate however you want it on the drill. Again, you can use the 4.0, the 6.0, or the 2.0. It does have a battery indicator right on the handle. So with the tiny little press, you can see if the battery is charged or not. Now this does have a variable speed trigger. So depending on how fast you press it, that's how fast it'll go. So here is it at its lowest RPM. You can see it's spinning nice and slow. It also has that work light so you can see what you're working on. And there are two different speeds. So on one, it's a little bit more torquey. It sounds like it's going fast, but it's really not. And then on here, on speed number 2, now it's really going fast. So the slower speed will give you more torque, so you can get the bigger screws or drill heavier material. It'll just take a little bit longer. And the more powerful battery will give you a little bit more strength. But this is, I think it's called the VersaPack. But it's really cool from Milwaukee. It comes with these different heads, and you can combine them in multiple different ways. So you can put your 90 degree with the drill driver, with the offset. So it's got multiple. Gotta get it in there. There you go, and it locks right in. Again, the only thing I don't like about it is the fact that the rotation is up here. It's just a little awkward when you're trying to screw something in and pull it right back out again. So with this, you know, sometimes you want to set the screw, pull it out, change things around, and put the screw back in again. So with this, if you hold it like a drywall drill up here and use your ring finger to press it, you can use this, which is, again, you know, you can switch it real easy, but it just kind of makes you, you know, kind of work in an awkward way. It does have a belt hook, so you can put it on your belt, and you can switch it from the right to the left side depending on what hand you're in. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming up.